concession on my way to Wally World. On my way to Wally World. Gotta go pick up an air pump for the trailer, for our concession trailer. Yesterday I found out we had a slow leak, and we went to our event yesterday, our private event yesterday, and I got there, had like 20 PSI. So I took it to the gas station, filled it up to 50 PSI. So tomorrow we got to set up. So I'm going to Wally World to get me a personal air pump. I need one. You know, instead of just going to the gas station, I can have my own personal. I saw one in Walmart for probably about $34, $35, somewhere around here. Something like that. I don't know. So I'm going to this Wally World here in North Augusta, Georgia. But North Augusta, South Carolina, sorry. North Augusta, South Carolina. Right on the borderline of South Carolina. On the outskirts of Augusta. It's one of my favorite Walmarts I like to go to. So left the house a little late because we've been resting all day, because yesterday was our day off, and we worked. I gotta put the phone all close up to me like that. But yeah, I'm going to Walmart, get an air pump so I can keep up with my air pressure in my trailer. It's getting hot. I don't want no tire busting. Actually, they ordered me another spare tire, trailer tire, so I got the size and everything, so I'm gonna do that too. But I need to keep that air pump on hand, especially when I'm doing my pre-trips in the morning. You know, so if it's low, so like right now, when I go back tomorrow to hook up to the trailer, it might be a little low. So if I have this pump, I can get it to the PSI, get us to our site, our location where we're going to be serving at. And this Friday, when I have off again, I'm going to go ahead and just lift it up and take it off and plug that little, it's a pallet. I think it's a pallet nail in it. So I'm going to plug it up. And also, I have one on the way, spare tire and a rim I'm gonna order online so I can have that spare tire. So yeah, we still building this concession business. You know, I try to keep all the tools I have. I have my big jack in the truck and everything, just in case something go down. I can change tire on the truck or the trailer, but I really can't change tire on the trailer because I need that spare tire. So this was just a warning to go ahead and order that spare tire. So I believe in warning before destruction. So I got this warning, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that spare tire, and I'm gonna get this air pump. So I have that area kind of covered with the concession life. Yeah, so we'll see you at Wally World. Neighborhood favorite store, my favorite store, your favorite store, America's favorite store, Walmart. I don't know, I think you can find almost anything in Walmart. But I'm gonna go to the grocery side because I gotta get a little bit of groceries too. But like I said, go in here to get an air pump. I hope they have it. I saw it. It's a nice red one. It matches the trailer. Match our concession trailer. So here we are. We are up in here.
had that place for one for me today, though.
All right. Where the pumps at? They closed. Oh, they might be right here. Even though they closed. Oh, there they go, right there. 39.87. Oh, they got alarms on there. Oh, I probably can take. I still can take it to the front. This is when we get the EverStart jump starter. You also can pump your tire. We got an air compressor on it. 120 PSI air compressor with auto stop, digital control. Booster cables on it. I'm gonna roll with that. And they got a bunch of them, so okay. I wonder if I can go to the Express lane.
How old he is? Oh, is he? Oh, really?
Excuse me. It has a lawnmower. Can I check it out here? Trying to get that box. Key won't work for you? Oh, there you go. Yep, figure it out. I can ring it up or you ring it up. It don't matter?
I got it.
You got it? Okay. I'm gonna get the protection plan on it too. The protection plan on it too? protection plan. All right, made it out of Wally. Got what I needed. Got my air pump. So we'll be a happy camper. So hopefully in the morning, my trailer tire won't be too low. It's kind of windy out here. Where did I park at? But yeah. My air pump kind of matching too. Because the air pump matches the trailer. It's black, it's all red. Black trimming. That's cool. There's my car over there. So holy moly nation, me being a retired trucker, ex-truck driver, still got my CDL just in case I gotta get back on that big road, but doing full time in concession business now. So, but yeah, one thing I learned about trucking, preventable maintenance. Preventable maintenance. That means you try to go over everything over your vehicles, your trailer, whatever, so you're gonna have problems. So if you can prevent maintenance problems, go ahead and do it. Just like our chase car right here. I had to get an oil change, so I did that. So, and I had to get some tires. I had to get some new tires. Yeah. So, do the preventable maintenance, you know, yeah, things will be much better for you and your business, especially if you're in the concession world. Even with your equipment in your trailer, in your mobile unit, you know, keep up with your tires, keep up with your oil pressure, change your oil frequently, you know. We used to do it at 3,000 miles, but I think everybody doing it at 5,000 miles now, you know, people going longer. So, just preventable maintenance, you know. Every vehicle, if it's a concession trailer, regular trailer, whatever, you know. Let's try to do those things. But yeah, I'm trying to get better at this camera thing. All right, holy moly nation. Safety. See y'all later.
6 hours later.
Purchased at Walmart last night because last Sunday I noticed in my pre-trip that my rear tire on would be the passenger side on the trailer is kind of low. So after that event, we went to the corner store and pumped it up with air. Now, look at that. Oh, that matches the trailer. That looks nice. But the only thing I forgot to do was charge it up. Let's hope it got a little charge. It does. All right, so I'm gonna set it to 45 PSI. I don't want to, if it's cold, you can pump it up to 50. But I don't want to pump it up to 50 because once you ride down the road, heat expands the tire, so it probably will get up to 50, so you don't want to overdo it. So I'm gonna leave it at 45. I'm gonna walk on the side over here and pump it up. I should check it, see how far it went down. All right, be back with y'all in a moment. $20 at the truck stop, an air truck. Not them little baby ones, get you a good one. So I'm going to see how much air did I lose since Sunday. Matter of fact, the nail is sticking out right here. It's a little pallet nail. So I'm gonna take care of that. But right now, we call this limping. So I need to get to my destination so we can keep our schedule. So hopefully we don't go too far. Hopefully Friday I get this patch. And I hope they can do it. I do it. So I'm gonna leave the nail in there. Let's see how much. Oh wow, we down to 20 psi, and I filled it up to 45 Sunday night. So here today is Tuesday. So all right, so let's see if we got enough charge. Pump it up. There's air. It's reading 26 on the here, but I'm going by this. This read 20. So I'm gonna pump it up to about 45 psi. I want to get to the right psi so I won't wear out my tires and I won't have no sway going down the road. So, if you're in the concession business or if you're not, this might be a good tool to have in your car, your truck, or any of your possessions. So, all right, holy moly, we'll see you when we get to the site. Okay, holy moly nation, so far we have 44.9, so we'll be right at 45 psi. And it shows you right there on the gauge. It should automatically stop. That's what the instructions say. See, it stopped. So we all done. That's gonna limp us down the road. Then after we finish serving them good funnel cakes, I'll check it before it's time to go home. But this is the ending of my pre-trip. I don't check the truck out, checked all the lights, the tires. This was my problem tire, but I'm gonna get it fixed before the week out. All right, base. Never start. I purchased it at Walmart for $39 plus tax. Make sure you get the protection plan for $4. Then it's a 750 peak amps jump start, so it also boosts your batteries if it's dead. And what I just used it for now was for the air compressors, 120 psi air compressor. It also has a USB power, charge your phone up, whatever, and it has a light, emergency light if you're on the side of the road and it's dark in the woods somewhere, so you can use your light. But if you like this channel and if you like this video, please press like, comment, and for more content, subscribe and turn on all your notifications and hit that bell.